Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time and review of this absolutely killer, limited use, low hour, Monarch, heavy duty engine lathe. It's a model 20CM, serial number 39327, and that happens to be our stock number 9651. This machine is 27.5 over the bed, 18.5 over the cross slide, with 144 inches of distance between centers. My good friend Frankie's going to go ahead and get this machine fired up for us and run us through some of the spindle speeds, feeds, and threads. Go ahead, Frank. There's 16 spindle speeds ranging from 14 to 600 RPM. 24 RPM. Thank you. RPM. Thank you, sir. This machine has an overall weight of 20,000 pounds. It'll take up 20 foot of foot space by 5 foot by 5 foot. You'll notice that we're running a 21-inch heavy-duty 3-jaw chuck on the D18 cam lock spindle nose. I'm going to come on down where the action is. Thank you, sir. That's what we needed, thankfully. All right, last was 285 RPM. Where are we at now, Frank? Sorry. 361 RPM. On your right?
There's some feet right there.
Sounds good. I just want to get up close and start showing off these ways. We'll get a general condition before we get too far away. Looking great on the cross slide, carriage. This machine is complete with the taper attachment as well. Let me back up and we'll show them those feeds. We're running with the shadows of the night. This machine has a 25 horsepower main drive motor. Very responsive machine. Again, it has 16 spindle speeds ranging from 14 to 600 RPM. It has 48 threads ranging from 3/4 to 46 TPI. We're going to get a left-hand side view of this headstock, showing the spindle bore at 2¼ inches. RPM.
Nice brake.
Yeah, that brake is very responsive. Just want to get up quite nice and close and start showing off these ways. By the way, the width of the bedways on this machine are 22 inches. Going over to the carriage, apron, cross slide, wonderful condition. Here's the steady rest, looks great. It's a number 5 Wars taper in the spindle for the tailstock. That was 600 RPM, by the way. Okay, we're 5 minutes in, Frank. What a lovely tailstock you have there. Let me get around the back real quick so I can see what you're doing. Nice. While I'm back here, I'd like to point out the chip pan, the coolant pump, as well as the taper attachment. Full-length taper attachment. Sorry, we don't have a lot of room. The machine this big in the shop. Again, I want to show you these ways. Well, on behalf of Machinery Consultants, we'd like to thank you for reviewing this video. There's another close-up of the ways up near the headstock. Absolutely fantastic. Let us know if we can help answer any questions on this machine. It's currently listed on our website at www.machineryconsultants.com. Here's the 25 horsepower main drive motor. The machine is currently wired at 480 volts as well. Thanks again for a review of this beautiful Monarch heavy-duty lathe. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks again. Have a great day.